an abundance of natural light while maintaining comfortability in a tropical house setting becomes of a great importance in the design process of House 13. In this project, we took quite a radical approach, opening up the one single workable facade and clad it almost entirely with glass ground wall. What we proposed is an extremely minimalistic modern house with passive cooling strategies that performs like a tropical house. The site is a flat residential zone, relatively small at 144 square meter, 8 by 18 meter plot. To achieve this tropical performance, we implemented passive cooling strategies to work in most living spaces to minimize the use of mechanical cooling systems. In House 13, there are two main elements of the house that is key to enabling the cross-ventilation and stack effect, which are the performative facade and the 3-story shaft aligning horizontally at the rear of the house. On all 3 floors of the house's main facade, there is an opening on each side to accommodate fresh air coming into the interior. On the ground floor, the opening is only covered by a layer of insect screen, while the main overhang of the house protects it from the weather. The programmatic layout on the first and second floors is made to be open and connect the front facade to the triple height space behind that pulls hot air up through the breeze blocks, creating a stack effect. The ground floor features a flexible play and work area and the maid's quarters. Meanwhile, on the second and third floors, the opening is in a part of the curtain wall assembly, a combination of aluminum extrusions, perforated metal sheets, and a full-height operable glass sliding window. On the second floor, the living dining kitchen area is connected without any partitions as well for airflow, and to ensure a fully expansive feel of the main living space. The dumbwaiter that connects all the levels in the house is also cladded in glass on the second floor to push that same idea. This arrangement and the design of the stairs enable the first and second floors to be continuously, naturally ventilated. Other than the opening previously discussed, the rest of the facade is cladded in curtain wall low-E glass assembly with shadow box on the spandrel areas. The minimalistic aesthetic approach we took on the facade is further carried to the interior expression as well. From the stair expression that overhangs from the wall, tied together by a tempered laminated glass balustrade, to the concealed door frame and hinges.